How has this business changed your life, both personally and professionally? Can you please share with us?
Oh my goodness, it's really obvious. The time freedom that I have right now, it's but of a big change. Professionally, coming from being a teacher to now a stay-at-home mom. Working since I finished college, I've always work, work, work. Wake up to work, wake up to earn. But now I wake up because I want to take care of my own kids. I wake up because I want to be the mom that I want to be. And that's for me is a purpose in my life. Like back then when I was working, I was not there in the milestones with my kids. I was not there when it's parent teacher conferences because I have to be the teacher from the other classrooms or other school. I could not be the parent. I was just blessed that my husband's time is flexible, more flexible than mine. That itself is a big change. I don't have to ask my boss, my principal, if I have to take off work. I was just doing live the other day and I was just counting on the countries that I have been in. These are all business related places that I have been. I was last year, I was in Vancouver, and then I spoke in the convention in the meetup in Cancun. And then last March, I was the speaker there in Australia, in Melbourne. And then, of course, we went to San Diego, and then I went to Michigan, and I'm about to go to Italy in a span of 1 year. These are all business related. That's not even including the business trips that I have been with my family. Just imagine that. I would not have done that when I was or a teacher. On top of that, all the expenses that I use, the money that I use for those business trips, they are all tax write off. I have met thousands of us. I've always said I have helped one student at a time for the 20 years that I was teaching. Yes, I recognize what kind of teacher I was, the help that I gave to my students, but really meeting and inspiring moms like all of us here gives me a different view in life. Personally, that had changed me. And the view of really what is more important in life has changed me. It's not just the money, but I tell you, because of money, I was able to stay home with my family. Because of money, I was able to travel and made my own goals happen. So, yeah, definitely it has changed my life.